In this lesson of linear equations in two variables and straight lines, we will discuss question number 15th and 16th of exercise 1.3. So question number 15th, we have used the point slope equation to find an equation for the line through the points -3 and -4 and perpendicular to the line this, right? And we have discussed very well, if two lines are perpendicular, it means the slope of the first line, which is m1, and slope of the second line, which is m2, it should be equal to -1. So this question has two parts. We will solve one by one. So first is A. First we will find out the slope, and this is the equation. I can write down x over 3 plus y equal to 2, right? So y equal to, this will go to the right hand side. It will be -1 over 3 into x, like this, plus 2. Or you can write down x over 3. Both are same, right? Do not worry about this one. So you can write down x over 3, both are same, or this and this. So as I have told you that the coefficient of x, that is why I have put this one here, right? So the coefficient of x, which is equal to -1 over 3, this is the slope of this equation, right? So the slope of the other equation should be 3, because see, if it is -1 over 3, the slope of the second equation should be 3. When we will multiply these two, only -1 will remains on the left hand side, same -1 is on the right hand side. It means two equations are perpendicular. So the slope is -1 over 3, right? Okay, now we will use the point slope equation, which is m y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Now we know slope is 1. The slope of the required equation should be 3, and this y minus, we will use these 2 points. So it is -4, so it will be now minus +4. Same thing for x plus 3. Right? Why I have used this slope? Because slope we have calculated for this equation is -1 over 3, and the slope of the other equation should be 3. That is why I am using 3 here. So we will cross multiply it. 3x plus 3 equal to y plus 4. It will be 3x plus 9, which is equal to y plus 4. So 3x minus y equal to -9. If we will take the transpose, which is equal to -5. 3x minus y. Right? If you want to write down y minus 3x, if suppose this is also right, but minus y plus 3x is equal to, or y minus 3x is equal to 5. According to the book, you can write down like this. This is the answer. Y minus 3x is equal to 5. Now the second part is, what is the y-intercept of the line, right? Y-intercept, and we have discussed y-intercept, that y is equal to mx plus b. So this b is the y-intercept. So here we have y equal to 3x plus 5. So 5 is the y-intercept. That is why I have written this equation in the form of like this, y minus 3x, because y will remain the same. On the left hand side, you can take 3x to the right hand side, the sign will change. It will be positive 3x plus 5. So 5 is the, because this b represent the y-intercept, so this is the y-intercept. Now move on to question number 16. Use the point slope equation to find an equation for the line with the slope minus 2. Here the slope is given, which is negative 2, right? And our equation is this. I will write down slope is given, which is equal to negative 2, and equation is x plus 2y is equal to 4. First you have to read the question, because what is the requirement? You should know what is the requirement. Use the point slope equation, and we know very well now point slope equation. To find an equation, we have to find out the equation for the line with slope minus 2, and that passes through the point where the line x plus 2y is equal to 4 intersects the line y is equal to 1. So in this equation, equation is given. Here we will put y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So x plus 2 y is equal to 1 is equal to 4. So x plus 2 equal to 4, which is x equal to 4 minus 2. So x is equal to 2. So our solution set will be 2, because x you have to write down first, and y is given, which is 1. So 2 in 1. Now we will use the point slope equation. M is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So see, slope is given, which is negative 2, and then y and this point, this one we will use this point, right? So it will be negative 1 and x negative 2. Now we will cross multiply this, negative 2 into x minus 2, which is equal to y minus 1 minus 2x plus 4, which is equal to y minus 1 minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 1 negative 4, which is equal to negative 5. So negative 2x negative 5, if we multiply both sides with negative, it will be 2x plus y is equal to 5, and this is the required equation. Use the point slope equation. See, we have used this point slope equation, right? So points were not given, only y was given. Put y is equal to in this equation, we will get the other point, other coordinate, which is 2. Now by using these 2 points in the point slope equation, we will get the equation of the line 2x plus y. Right now, B part, write the equation in slope y intercept. See, y intercept. So how you will write down? I can write down here. This is the B part. Y will remain the same here. Just take this negative 2x on the other side and then 5. Right, so write the equation in slope y-intercept form. This is the equation in the y-intercept form. If someone asks you what is the y-intercept, this will be the y-intercept, but they are not asking y-intercept. The question is write this equation. So just take this positive 2x to the other side of the equation, it will be negative 2x. So read this question 2 or 3 times, do it, practice it, but if still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.